All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. It is the sport model, black with alloy wheels, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Front bumper looks good, your front hood looks pretty good, your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread. I can get my measurement out. Is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty darn decent. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread back here is over 730 seconds. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. You jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with one key if I can find it. Yes, sir. Oh, come on. Boom. Does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manual. Check out pictures for more details. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 20,446. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Let's keep it moving. Turn on the lights. There's a rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Let's have an armrest with cup holders. Yeah, rear bumper. Looks good. Deck lid looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is some tools here, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals back there. You got some more storage back there and a spare tire underneath this car somewhere, I'm sure. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have a dent right here with some paint off about 3 inches. Here's your rear driver's rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing in your tire thread. Is over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty decent. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Just have a little ding right there, probably from a door. Likewise here. Here's the other side of your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tire thread over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Boom, car is on. Things are beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe, this sport model with 20,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.